Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Merchant Center shipping settings for faster approvals step by step clearly. To enable Merchant Center shipping settings for faster approvals, begin by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the Tools menu located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Select Shipping and Return Settings from the drop-down list. Click on the pencil icon to edit your current shipping settings. If you haven't set up any shipping services yet, click the plus sign to add a new shipping service. Enter a name for your shipping service that reflects its purpose. Choose the countries where you will offer shipping under the Countries section. Set the shipping rates by selecting either fixed rates or carrier rates, depending on your preference. For fixed rates, input the costs based on weight or price ranges. If you choose carrier rates, connect your preferred carrier accounts to fetch real-time rates. Specify the shipping speeds available to customers, such as standard or express. Make sure to configure handling times to clarify the expected dispatch days. Review your shipping service details for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click the Save button to apply your settings. Return to the main dashboard and check for any notifications related to your shipping settings. Correct any issues flagged by Google to ensure faster approvals. Monitor your account for updates on your shipping settings approval status. Once approved, your shipping settings will enable smoother transactions in your store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.